It's a 2000 Nissan Altima SE. Has a bad wheel bearing on the left front. So after removing, we're going to replace this bearing. We're going to remove the wheel, loosen up a 14 millimeter screw on the bottom, swing this up, slide the caliper out of place, place it here, and with I believe it's a 19 millimeter socket, and loosen the two screws on the back of the other half of the caliper. Take them out. Remove your rotor. All right. Remove the axle nut, the cotter pin, and then the axle nut. Slide. After you remove that, then take these off. These two. There's 17 millimeters. This holds the spindle to the strut assembly. Remove these two. Pull this unit back. Slide your axle out. Loosen up on the ball joint nut. Use a breaker bar or a piece of pipe. Slide it between the top of the control arm and under the body of the car. Have someone press it down and get a baby sledgehammer. As I said, slide. I'm using a jack handle. Slide it in between, over the top of the control arm and under the body of the car. This is where you might need some help. To have someone press down on the bar as you hit the ball joint, where the ball joint go through the spindle, right about here with a sledge. If you hit it hard while the pressure is being applied down, that ball joint will pop out of the spindle. You could use a ball joint fork, but that would damage the rubber seal, the rubber boot on the ball joint. Yeah, once you have that out, and the tie rod removed by loosening the 19 millimeter nut on the bottom. Use the same principle and hit, once you loosen that, hit the end where the tie rod goes in through the spindle. Do not hit the boot or the tie rod. Hit it right here a few times real hard, and that should pop out of there.